This week, as you know, we are exploring Article 18, the freedom of expression, thought, and religion. One of the artists who speaks up for this right is a French artist named Kambo, full name Kambo Culture Kidnapper. In Schoology, Artist Protest and Kambo Culture Kidnapper and Questions for the Artist Kambo all relate to his work. His work is found on the streets of Paris. He did this campaign, Coexist. That was our journal question, where you see the Islamic crescent, the Star of David representing Judaism, and the Christian cross. He has many artworks throughout the city of Paris and around the world. He goes spreading his message of human rights through wheat paste, which is like a poster that you glue to the wall and spray paint. This is the artist here, and he is French. His father is Lebanese and he is Christian, and his mother is from Morocco and is Muslim, but he was born in France and went to school in France and began as working for an advertisement agent before he turned to full artist, spreading his message across the world. So you are going to be reading an article about him, and then this article here. Okay, graffiti artist calls on religion and Parisians to coexist. And then you are going to have the opportunity to ask him any questions, and he is going to respond. You are welcome to check out his work on Instagram. Here is his latest work. You see Wonder Woman as a nurse, because we know in this time of the coronavirus and COVID-19 that our medical workers are our heroes right now. So this is exciting that he is going to be answering our emails. So please, here in Schoology, and my daughter loves you. Here, you may put in any questions you have for our artist. So you might want to ask him, what does his name, Cultural Kidnapper, mean? Maybe you want to ask, what are some messages that you hope to spread with your artwork? You might want to say, how long have you been making art? Or, since it is graffiti, which is painting on walls, has he ever been in trouble or arrested? So go ahead and ask your questions, and I'll put them together and we'll email them and we'll see what he responds. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy researching the human right of freedom of thought, expression, and religion this week, and I can't wait to hear from you soon.